Guys, I have a problem with my J7 Pro and I tried all kinds of stuff. The sound is not even working and the microphone doesn't even work. For example, YouTube. Okay, is in tubes. Let's play some sample video, and as you can see, there is no sound. Even when I try plugging the headsets, it doesn't work. Yep, doesn't work. When I try calling someone, the microphone wouldn't even work. The only thing that works is if I use a Bluetooth microphone. So it's really a problem with the jack or with the sound. But before I go bring it to Samsung, there's one thing I really wanted to try is to factory reset my phone. So to do that, I need to shut down my phone and then press power up and the home button. So let me do it. Okay, let's continue. I already removed my SD card and an unwanted SIM card, and I press the power up and middle button many times, including when it's trying to upgrade. Just ignore. Now let's do a factory reset. Before that, I'm going to do a wipe cache partition. So maybe this button to do it. Okay, only power button. Okay. Now finally, let's do the thing. Reset everything. Yes. Formatting data. Oh, so fast. Anything that I can do? Okay. Now reboot. If this doesn't work, then it's really the hardware problem, which I need to bring to Samsung. Okay, let's pause. Okay, now we're here. And authorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default setting. Connect to Wi-Fi mode to verify your identity. Okay. Okay, got myself connected. Okay, I agree to the end user license agreement. Okay, privacy policy, dynastic marketing information. Okay. Just a second. Checking info. Verify my account. Okay, wait. Okay, and I will add previous account. Oh, maybe it's better to not to restore. Because I want to start from beginning. Nope. Maybe later, not now. Not now. This one is okay. This one is okay. This one is okay. I don't want to auto install, but oh well. Okay, sign in. Okay, agree. Yes. Okay, I'm restoring my phone data. Phone message contact log settings, not the apps. Nothing there. Finish. Yes. Nice back. Unfortunately, no thank you. I want it fresh. Unfortunately, the sound doesn't work still. It looks like it is a hardware problem. But at least I got my Samsung fresh. I should update. Okay, I got the latest update already. I just need to update my Play Store. Okay, settings. Please do not auto updates. Okay, unfortunately, that's it. I have to bring my phone to Samsung. The sound still doesn't work.